This shark is trapped in a big blue ring, and in this video we will be cutting it free. The shark and the blue tube are separate air chambers, and they can be cut apart with neither springing a leak. Starting with the shark's pelvic fins, I cut the blue straps off. I carefully cut the vinyl extending beyond the shark's fin. Next, I move to the pectoral fins. These are a bit longer, but just as easy to cut free. After cutting the shark free, I deflate it and go back to each fin to clean up the excess vinyl. The shark deflates fast with such a large air valve. I have to be much more careful here, as it is very close to the edges of the fin air chambers. I again trim along both the pelvic and pectoral fins. Once all fins are cleaned up, I re-inflate the shark. It is now free. Thanks for watching. Please comment below and subscribe for more.